Hey Roku TV owners, ever stare at a pile of Roku remotes and wonder, wait, which one actually works with my TV? Don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Roku's got a bunch of different remotes and believe it or not all of them play nice with every Roku TV. So, let's make this super clear. First up, the best news. The Roku Voice Remote Pro works with all Roku TVs. That's the one with the pairing button on the back. To get it going, just flip your remote over, press and hold that little pairing button for a few seconds, and let go when you see the light start flashing. Once that's blinking, your Roku TV should spot it automatically and do the rest. Easy. Next, the standard Roku Voice Remote. This one uses regular old batteries and doesn't have a pairing button. Instead, just press and hold the back and home buttons together. Hold them down until you see the remote go into pairing mode, and you're good to go. Now, here's a cool Roku TV perk. You can use simple infrared remotes too. These are labeled Roku TV Remote. No need to pair them at all. Pop in some fresh batteries, point it at your TV, and boom, it just works. Just make sure it says Roku TV Remote and not Roku Player Remote, because that makes a big difference. Speaking of what doesn't work, remotes from Roku streaming players like those that come with a Roku Express are not compatible with Roku TVs. They might look similar, but the programming inside is totally different. If you're shopping for a new remote, double-check that label. Wondering about older Roku remotes? Here's a trick. If there's a pairing button inside the battery compartment, odds are it'll work with your Roku TV. If not, try holding that back and home combo, just like before, and see if it pairs. You can also pair from the TV's menu. If you can access your Roku TV, just head to Settings, then Remotes and Devices, then Remotes. Add New Remote. Follow those on-screen steps and you're done. Can't use the menu? No problem. Just unplug your Roku TV, plug it back in, and while it's starting up, put your remote into pairing mode. The TV will search for remotes as it boots. And remember, if you're using a Roku TV infrared remote, there's literally nothing to pair. Point and click, done. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped clear up the remote confusion, and I'll see you next time.